How to add money to PayPal from Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add money to your PayPal account from your Revolut account. So first of all you have to do is just open your PayPal account, and after that just simply log into your account and click on My PayPal. So unfortunately there isn't a direct way through which you will be able to transfer your money from your PayPal account to your Revolut account simultaneously, but there is another way through which you will be able to transfer the money, which I will show you right here. So in order to transfer your money from your PayPal to your Revolut account, all you have to do is just click on the Pay and Get Paid option from the top menu in the page, and here you will be able to see the option called Money and Bank and Cards in under the Payment Method option. Just simply click on Banks and Cards, and over here you will be able to see the option called Bank Accounts and Credit and Debit Card. So the easiest way to transfer your money from your PayPal account to your Revolut account is to link a similar bank account with your PayPal account as well as your Revolut account as well. And once you link the same bank account to both your accounts, then you will be able to transfer the money through the bank account as a mediator in between. You won't be able to transfer the money directly as of the current rules. So all you have to do, just click on link a bank account if you don't have a bank account linked to your PayPal account. As you can see that my bank account has been already linked to my PayPal account right here. So just go ahead and add your bank account, and once you added the bank account in your PayPal account, then what you can do is just come back to the home screen, and here just enter the amount of money that you would want to transfer. So you need to click on send payment and then just enter the amount that you would want to transfer. And once you're done entering the amount, you need to open your Revolut account, and after that just simply log into your account with your credentials and link the same bank account that you have linked with your PayPal account. And once your bank account is linked with both your PayPal and your Revolut account, then you will be able to transfer the money between both these applications. So this is basically how you will be able to add money to your PayPal account from your Revolut account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.